Welcome to Electric Felix charging the ZEEKR 7X here at NIO 500 kilowatt charger. So this hilarious screen here. Welcome to the ZEEKR 7X after 420 kilometers. It is finally time for some charging. Consumed 91 kilowatt hours, which is interesting because the vehicle gets sold with 100 kilowatt hours, so not exactly sure how that all maths out. So when we press the charging hatch, this opens. Unfortunately, this system is not what I would call ideal. These plugs are amazingly light for being a 500 kilowatt charger. Now this charging card might not be good enough to actually start the charge. Because it wants 60 euros. And that's clearly not going to happen with this charging card. So I had to use the app to start the charging session, the NIO app. But luckily I have the app and that all works. But none of my cards were actually accepted here. So Dutch bank cards don't work. So it reports 1% state of charge. The requested kilowatts, they look a bit low. What do we see inside the vehicle? I don't know why the main display turned off. That is odd. Not what I came here for, but 1% state of charge. Even though we're nearing a kilowatt hour. So what is going on? So sad. Vehicle limited. Well, that is especially weird, because I brought this vehicle because it's supposed to be a charging monster. I guess it doesn't like to be as empty as I arrived here, but yeah, it had to be tested. It's only one way to find out. But this requested kilowatts, I don't understand. Can we find out anything inside? A full charge will take 1.5 hours. That is weird, I would say. That's 72 amp current. Suddenly way more sound coming from the cabinet. Requested kilowatts going up to 190. I love this comparison between what the car wants and what is delivered. The wind has arrived. So we're now at near 300 amp charging, 4% in. And look, the time left changed to 42 minutes. Look, we're now above 400 amps. We're suddenly charging at near 300 kilowatts. Requested 305. But now we can see that the charger actually says that only 360 is available. So that's a bit sad because, yeah, I came here because I wanted to charge faster than this. But of course, let's focus on the fact that I've never charged at 300 kilowatts myself before, and that the car is actually requesting more than is being delivered. I really love this graph. The car now reports time left 33 minutes. And the current is above 500 amps, or it was for a bit. Look at this. 408, 409, 410. Near 600 amp charging. Look at this. Available kilowatts. 420 requested. Oh my goodness. The fastest charging I've ever seen. What happened to this charging session? Wow, 390, but it's already dropping. So the curve is very odd, going up and down. 540 amps at 700 volts. Time to 100%, half an hour. Wow. Nearly 390 kilowatt charging. Look at that curve. Absolutely amazing. Guess I've never been this happy before to charge at 35 cents per kilowatt hour. Now let's see if we change the limit to 80%. We're still charging above 380 kilos. And look, now it is 11 minutes from 20 to 80%, at least predicted. We're still charging way above 500 amps, which is impressive. And look at this rock steady charging at 390 kilowatts. I cannot believe what this machine is doing, and it is quite perfect, I might add, that I'm in front of this Porsche showroom. Oh, we have a drop. So yeah, we're at 25% with 24 kilowatt hour added. It reported 1% state of charge when I plugged in, even though the car didn't report anything. So we're still above 500 amps, charging at 2000 kilometers per hour. But yeah, we're gonna do it for 10 minutes. So I would prefer to know the 10-minute possibilities. Vehicle limited. So imagine this charger telling us that it's the vehicle limiting the charge. Absolutely beautiful. 370 kilowatts at 30% state of charge. My goodness, ZEEKR 7X. What is this? We're still above 500 amps. And actually quite surprised that the voltage is only at 700. But look at this. 370 kilowatts. So yeah, there's a slight buzz in the cable. Very loud fans, but yeah, what do you imagine at 370 plus kilowatts? And let's investigate over here. The power cabinets, 480 kilowatts. Active cooling. Nothing on this side. the specs for who is interested. So back to the vehicle. At nearly 40% state of charge, still doing 340 kilowatts. My goodness. And it reports 8 minutes from 40% to 80%, which feels long if you realize that we're still charging above 500 amps, which is so rare in Europe to be able to charge at this current. Vehicle limited. I mean, this charger is quite something. Available 480 kilowatts. Hard work. 42 kilowatt hours. 43 in 9 minutes. Yeah, it's too bad we had a bit of a false start with the slow kilowatts in the first minutes. That might be probably better to plug in at 5% with this vehicle. Good lesson. And now the question is, yeah, where do we actually stop? Maybe I should do a 50% charge. But look at, it's still doing 340. More than that. And we're near 50% state of charge. 50 kilowatt hours charged almost. But yeah, I realized that with the Taycan, after 6 minutes I had 26 or something, so it's sort of comparable. Yeah, where are we going to stop this session? It's still doing over 300 kilowatts. It predicts 6 minutes till 80%. And the current is still above 400. Ah, we have a real drop now. I guess because this session is so not perfect because of me arriving with too little state of charge. I think I will run till 60%. If I should even do that. Let's change the limit and see what happens. Oh, it's a huge drop actually. Only doing 160. Oh, even less. Another drop. So what is going on here? Is this because I changed the maximum, the target? That could be that it just immediately stops all the hard work. Very mild cooling activity here. Can almost not hear it. If I change it back to 80, will things change? I'm curious now. It says that it can reach 80% in 5 minutes. So you would think that things would change completely, but it's a bit of an odd session. It might be my fault. Hardly any activity. No. So for some reason this curve completely shut down. I don't know why. Very strange. I guess life cannot be perfect always. But I'll stop at 60%. It was a fun test. Weird though. Very weird. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, rent electric.